Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to talk about changing the summary values in the pivot table. This pivot table summarizes the total number of heavy metal fans by country of origin in the style heavy power. Also, this pivot table is in the classic pivot table layout. On how to change a pivot table to the classic layout, click on the link below for that tutorial. And as always, a link to the dataset is available for download so you can work alongside the video. By default, pivot tables use the sum function in the values box if the field is numeric. Otherwise, it uses count. Sometimes you'll want to gain more insight on the data by changing the summary function to something other than sum or count. To change the summary function, open the Field Settings dialog box for the field in the values box that you want to change. In our case, we only have fans in the values box. You do this by clicking the field that you want to change, and then clicking on Value Field Settings. And then click on the type of summary you want for the data. Let's click on Average so we can see the average number of fans in each country in the style Heavy Power and click OK. And that's all there is to it. You'll notice that you have other options. Always pick the one that makes sense for your dataset and the story you're trying to tell with your pivot table. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.